Bonjour les enfants, comment allez-vous? Très bien. How do you answer when I say comment allez-vous? Je vais bien. Can you say it loud? Je vais bien. Because you need to hear yourself talking, okay? Je vais bien. Super. Awesome. Très, très bien. Very good. Okay. So, if I say, comment allez-vous? You answer, je vais bien. If I say, comment t'appelles-tu? Or, comment vous appelez-vous? Je m'appelle and then your name. Good. If I say, quel âge as-tu? If I say, what is your age? Quel âge as-tu? You answer, j'ai 8 ans. 8 years old. J'ai 8 ans. Right? Or j'ai 9 ans. You have to put en at the end, okay? J'ai 9 ans. All right, très très bien. Maintenant les enfants, la semaine dernière, nous avons appris la famille, le vocabulaire de la famille. Last week, we learned the vocabulary of the family. That is right, of the family. Donc, who remembers how to say father? There's two ways. You can say father or dad. Très bien. Le père, papa. Now, I gave you these pages with these people on it so you can see how it's written and you can repeat them. So look at them. You have le père, papa. La mère, maman. La mère, maman. Très bien. Then you have le bébé. Remember? Le bébé. Répétez après moi. Every time you repeat after me, okay? Le bébé. Then you have les enfants for the children. Les enfants. And you have le frère at the bottom. Le frère, which is the brother. La sœur, the sister. Okay? Les enfants. Le frère. La sœur. Then these just means boys and girls. Le garçon is boy. La fille is girl. Okay, then you have le grand-père. Le grand-père, the grandfather. Or you can also call him grand-père, grandfather, right? Et le petit-fils, that's right, the grandson. Now in French we say the little son. Le petit means little. Remember it's my maiden name, petit? Yeah, means small. So you're saying the small son or the little son. But in English we say the grandson, right? So it's a little bit different. But it's le petit-fils. Then you have la grand-mère, or you can say grand-mère, right? La petite fille, the little granddaughter, right? Okay, very good. And then we have le chat, or le chaton when it's a baby, le chaton. And then we have le chien, ou le chiot when it's a baby puppy, right? It's a puppy, le chiot. Très bien. All right, let's say them one more time together. You ready? So look at your pictures and say it with me. Le père, papa. Le père, papa. La mère, maman. La mère, maman. Le bébé, baby. Le bébé, baby. Les enfants, children. Les enfants. Le frère, brother. La sœur, sister. Le garçon, boy. Le garçon. La fille, girl. Le grand-père, grandfather. Le petit-fils, le petit-fils, grandson. La grand-mère, grandmother. La petite fille, granddaughter, la petite fille. Le chien, dog. Le chiot, puppy. Le chat, cat. Le chaton, the kitten. Good, very good. So, now that you know how to say the family, we are going to learn a verse. Nous allons apprendre une écriture. So, you have this paper in your packet, and yours is empty. There's nothing on it. So, this is what you're going to write. Mon écriture. So you can pause right there, or at the end I will put the picture of this so that you can write it, okay? And this is what it says. C'est ce que cela que ça dit. Mon écriture, my scripture. Toutes, répétez après moi. Repeat after me. Toutes les familles de la terre seront bénies en toi. Genèse 12:3. All right, so it means all the families of the earth will be blessed in you. Genesis 12, verse 3. So this verse, this écriture is, God is saying this, and he's saying this to Abraham. And in the Bible, in Genesis, you should ask your mommy to read you the story of Abraham. This is a beautiful story of God's people and what God has in store for them. And he starts with Abraham, and he tells him that he's going to make out of him a great nation. That means his children and his children's children and his children's children's children, all the children of Abraham and the grandchildren and the great-grandchildren and the great-great-great-grandchildren and so forth and so on. All of these people will become God's people. And so he said, I will bless, all the families of the earth will be blessed in you. So everybody, all the families, everyone will be blessed because of Abraham and the people that will come out of Abraham, right? All the families that will come out of Abraham, all of them will be blessed by God because of Abraham. So this is the beginning of the story of God's people. So you need to ask your mommy to read you the story, okay? All right, so let's say it because it's got our word in it. It's got our word famille, which means family. That's right. La famille. Répète après moi. La famille. That's right, the family. Here it's les familles. And do you know why it's les and not la? That's because there's more than one family. Okay, so les familles means the families. That means there's more than one. Okay, so let's say it together. Toutes les familles. Toutes les familles. Encore. Toutes les familles de la terre. De la terre. Toutes les familles de la terre seront bénies en toi. En toi. Good. So, Genèse 12:3. Genèse 12:3. Let's say it again. Toutes les familles de la terre seront bénies en toi. toutes les familles de la terre seront bénies en toi. Genèse 12, 3. Okay, so this is your scripture. So you need to listen to it several times and repeat it, okay? And over here, then you are going to draw. So this is what you're going to draw. You're going to go around the house and you're going to ask your mom to draw herself. You're going to ask your dad to draw himself. You're going to ask your sisters to draw themselves. So if you have one sister, you go ask her. If you have 3 sisters, you go ask each one of them to draw themselves. Okay? And then you're going to ask your brothers the same thing. And then if you can ask your grandpa and your grandma to draw themselves. Only if you can. Okay? If you can't, because they live far away, it's okay. You draw them. And you're also going to draw your dog or your cat if you have one of them. And if you have a baby, he's probably not going to be able to draw anything. So you can ask your mommy to draw the baby too. Okay? So your mommy can draw the baby or your daddy. So I want you to draw your whole family. Now let's say that you don't have a daddy at home. You can still draw a daddy because God is your daddy. Okay, so you can still draw a daddy. And God is our Father. He is the one that takes care of us better than any person on this earth. So that's okay. If you don't have a daddy, still draw a daddy. And over the daddy, you're going to write God. Okay? You ask your mommy to write God. Well, we're going to write it in French. So let me write it down for you. Okay, so we will write God, but we're going to write it in French. So I'm going to show you how to write God in French. Okay. All right, this is how you write God in French. So you can draw a daddy and you can write God right above it. Okay? And if you have a stepdaddy, you can write his name. That's okay to write his name. If you have a stepmommy and you don't have a mommy anymore, you can also write her name, okay? All right, very good. So, this is your verse for this week. C'est votre verset pour cette semaine. So, learn it very well, okay? Allez, au revoir les enfants. À bientôt.